Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back everyone. Welcome back to another stream. Yeah, I hope everyone's had a good day today. Personally, tried a few stabs at longs. Nothing's come of it. So I'm just gonna wait now for this hourly to close to see what direction really gold wants to go in. So who have we got here, guys? Who's here? Let me just share the live really quickly. But yeah, guys, welcome back everyone. Welcome back to another stream. Let's try and catch something. Hopefully the markets are back to normal condition. There was no live stream yesterday due to the bank holiday in the US session. So yeah, let's see if we can catch something today, guys. Hi Dan, how's it going, bro? Welcome, mate. Welcome. Yeah, let me just let me just test the audio's okay, is it, guys? Let me just double check. Yeah, audio's fine. Dean, how's it going, bro? Welcome, mate. Cheers to the likes, guys. Nice one. 6 likes already. Jeez, nice one. Been a slow 2 days, yeah. Yesterday's been slow. Today's been a bit slow. The momentum just hasn't been there. I'll run through it really quickly. I tried to stab at longs here, trying to continue this higher, but I got break even. And then I tried a long here as well and took like -5 ticks. So nothing crazy. Like since the actual entry, it's moved like over 100 ticks. So -5 ticks is nothing for me. You know, my wins are like 30 ticks, 40 ticks. So 5 ticks it's quite easy to deal with. -5 tick loss on average is great, to be honest. But yeah, welcome. Oliver, hey bro. The goal's just melted yet. It has, Oliver, mate. Ben, tuning in for half an hour or so. Good stuff, Ben. Let's see if we can catch something, mate. I personally have taken one break even and a very, very small loss here. I got out like here. So like, compared to where it actually ran, it's ran like 100 ticks down. So it is what it is. The entry were there, just no follow through, no momentum. But I am going to see what gold's going to do in this hourly. They're going to close in 3 minutes, guys. So we'll wait for this hourly to close. And potentially there is a position there for us. But yeah, we are actually coming into a major level on gold, 26.45. See, you can see it as resistance and support here. Now it could act as support again to continue higher. So you need to wait for see if price what it's going to do around here, guys. Okay, very important. Oh, it's Deddy. How's it going, Bob? Deddy, yeah. Can't hang around for long because I'm at work. Just passed my phase 1 with that sell. Beautiful. Nice to see you though, Deddy. And when you can tune in, bro. Yeah, feel free to tune in. Good stuff, mate. Nice to see you again. But yeah, let's see, guys. Like we're saying, we're reacting now. You can see where price is reacting. You can see, look, guys, resistance, support, support, support. Now it could act as support again and continue higher. So for me, guys, I'm not looking to sell personally until we get back below here. 26.45 area, 26.46. If it rejects on this 15 and closes bullish, for me, I'd need to get back above 26.51. So that would be the range I'm playing with at the moment. That'd be the range I'm playing with at the moment. Look, you can see how messy it got here today. Yesterday, guys, sorry. I don't want to get stuck in that here because it could easily do that at between 60.51 and 26.45. It could definitely still get stuck within there. So this hourly is about to close in a minute, so we'll just wait for that. Naeem, alright, mate? How's it going? Yeah, Deddy. I think it's DD. Congratulations on your phase 1, bro. I have to go. If you go live later, I'll tune in. Yeah, nice one, bro. Nice to see you. Naeem, welcome again, mate. Hope everyone's ready to smash the day. But for me, guys, this range is quite simple. There's no range recent range right now. Up here there was a range from here to here, starting to close below it. But look what price has done, guys, on this hourly. If price, for example, closed here, say price closed here, then you've got the range to try and short this down further. But the problem is when you've pushed so far down, like another 60 ticks where you'd want to close, you've got a range here now at 26.45 that you need to be careful about. And we've just gone over it. Resistance, resistance, support, support. Now acting as support. So what you need to watch is that, yeah, you've got a decent 50 tick range into them lows. Where you've got a decent 110 ticks into the actual overall liquidity lows. But you'd be break even now anyway. So in order for me to look for more shorts, it'd have to be below 26.45. Even though we might wick fill these lows in a minute. Hey, we've got 14 people in, guys. Welcome, everybody. Like I say, guys, if you've just joined, drop us a like, drop us a comment, and let's see who's here. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask them. But yeah, guys, let's have a good day again. But yeah, guys, welcome back to another stream. Like I said, there was no stream yesterday due to the fact that we had the bank holiday, but we're back again today. 1.5, 2 hour streams per day, Monday to Friday. Well, this week will be Tuesday to Friday. So yeah, let's sit back, relax, and try and catch a couple of positions, guys. Sean, hi Joe, what's your plans? Sean, for today or now for this session, this is what you're seeing on gold. For me, right now, you have got some half risk shorts within the range to take it down further, but I've already taken 2 half risk longs today. So if I'm going to take a half risk short, you know, you'd be playing for 40 ticks there. But you've got some decent first targets at H1 Wickfill. I'm just going to see, because it's the first minute open of the hourly. I'm just going to see if this can push up a little bit further before the flip down. And if it can, then I'll get like a nice 15 tick, 20 tick half risk stop, and I'll try and short down into this level for a nice 40 ticks. In terms of longs, I'm not looking to long until we break back above 26.51. 26.51, guys, huge level now. But even if I look to the left, it's a huge level. You can see to the left, acting as support here. Resistance, support. Look at this, big resistance, support. It's been a big level for ages, guys. Look how it reacted here. So why would I look to go long until we get back above 26.51 when it could do this? So the main thing for me, get back above 26.51. I can look to go long again into this liquidity above here. This liquidity here. Okay, that's only for longs right now, guys. In terms of shorts, I do like some half risk shorts, but we've just opened on the hourly 2 minutes ago. So if I do try short now, price could definitely carry on pushing up higher. So I'm just going to see how this 5 minute closes, guys. This 5 minute is big for me. If this 5 minute close is nice and bearish, then I'll take some half risk shorts. But yeah, how are you, Sean, mate? Hope you're doing well, mate. I hope you've had a good day. Like I say, guys, I hope everyone smashed it today. I'm going to see how this 5 minute closes. I don't like to take trades on the first 5 minutes of the hour. But yeah, guys, like I say, any questions? Good mate, not traded yet. See what you're saying and take it from there. Yeah, of course, bro. Like I say, it's only Tuesday, guys. The day after bank holiday. So price the cleanest price action might not be there just yet. For you know, we'll give it another 5-10 minutes and then we can start taking positions. Right, guys, let's see. But yeah, this Owly could definitely flip down. And Wickfill. The only problem is that H4 is still in play, that H4. So if I were going to take shorts, it'd probably be down into some H4 structure, like 2644. But I do have a feeling that this could continue further down. Has anybody traded today, guys? How's everyone's day been today? Let me know. I have a feeling that I want to see this push up a little bit more, and then if the flip's going to happen, it's going to happen then. You know, we've got 55 minutes on this Owly. Could definitely push up to 10-15 ticks and then the flip, and then you've got like 20-30 ticks there. But yeah, guys, if you've got any questions, feel free to comment. Like I say, we'll try and catch some short positions half risk if it sets up. But like I say, I want that nice 15, that nice top wick to form first. Nice 10-15 ticks, and then I can get a nice stop loss in there. I can look to target down here for like 20 ticks. First targets. Do you trade all 3 sessions? Javier, welcome to the stream, bro. Personally, I don't trade Asia. I just trade London and US. But my main session that I do trade is London Open for maybe like 2 or 3 hours, and then I'll trade pre-New York like now until maybe like 3 PM UK time, 3-4 PM UK time, and then that's me. What about you, Javier? What sessions do you trade, mate? What sessions do you trade, bro? Cheers for the likes, guys. Nice one. If everyone's liking, I appreciate y'all. I took a trade at the flip on the 30 at 26.50. Nice. You entered here. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. You've got your nice liquidity grab up here. You know, it's been 3 candles since your flip, but yeah, that's a decent trade. Nice. Naeem, got a decent stop there. And your TP's down there for a nice 70 ticks. 70 ticks TP there. Good stuff. Yeah, just London, New York, same here. Have you got no trades for 2 days? Today's the day for sure, Dean. For sure, mate. Definitely. Within the range, within this range here, I'm only taking half risk, okay? This will be my half risk area. Above 26.51, then I've got some full risk into these liquidity targets. And then below will be these targets here for full risk as well. But within here, guys, like I say, it's half risk because look at the chop we had here. This is just choppy price action. This could easily happen for the New York session again today. Javier, yes, I have taken 2 positions. I took a break even. I'll go over the break even really quickly. Guys, I took a long position here. I had the same level at 26.51. I had a long position here. Stopped through on the low. And as we flipped up and took prior high here, as we flipped up and took this prior high to its left, to the left of us now, I went break even. So I got break even here. It ran like, what did it run? It only ran like 12-13 ticks, but yeah, break even. And when it break even me, it just continued to the downside. And then I had another long here that I cut basically like -5. So basically break even for the day. Javier, how long have you been trading, bro? Have you been trading a long time? See, now I'd like the H1 now if it flipped. I'd like to get involved in this. If this H1 flips now, if it starts to reject a little bit from where we are, if this H1 or the hourly flips, then I'm going to take short into these lows, okay? And then if it doesn't flip and we start closing strongly back above, 26.52 area, then I can look for my longs. Got 15 people in, guys. Welcome, everybody. Like I say, if you've just joined, feel free to comment. Welcome yourself into the stream, guys. And yeah, cheers for the likes, guys. Everyone who's liked, I appreciate y'all. I hope you enjoyed the stream, guys. Cheers to the subscribers as well, guys. Nice one for subscribing. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. So, like I say, this is the range, guys, for now. You could even, for me, you could even have more cells below 2645. A bit of a tighter range. 17 people in, nice. 5 months, but can't get consistency and profitability. Like I say, mate, I don't really understand your problem. But if anybody comes to me in the community and asks me, then I always ask, what are you doing? Are you journaling your positions? If you're not journaling your positions, start journaling your positions. Look at what's going wrong. Are you taking high probability trades or not? Are you trading to the plan? What plan do you trade? Have you got a plan? Is there a plan that you trade? If not, learn a plan. Learn a strategy that works. Hey, Natalie, how's it going? Welcome. Like I said, this H4 starting to reject 26.54 here now. 45, sorry. But yeah, let me know, Javier. Is there a plan that you trade, or are you just taking random positions? Because then that's where the problem is. Owly is rejecting a bit. See, if like I say, guys, if this Owly starts to wick down and reject a little bit, then I'll just take the flip lower. There's like 20 ticks on the table there, simple flip. But it's if it starts to flip in 48 minutes, we'll see. But there's the first position of the day. Can you show me a high probability trade? Is there such thing as an A plus setup? Yeah, of course, Javier, mate. The only trades that I take full risk and half risk positions. For me, I don't use like B, A star. There's either half risk and there's full risk, and it works so well. If you want to learn my strategy, Javier, you'd have to join the community, mate, the Discord community. I can link it for you, bro, if you want to join. But like I say, I can't really go through all that because that's for the community. I can go through like most things, but I'll paste. If you want to join the Discord community, guys, anybody who wants to join, feel free. I've just linked it in the YouTube comments. Take a look, you can join. And you can learn the full strategy, the full system. You get all the members chats, daily market updates, and you get my contact as well for any questions. So feel free to join there. But yeah, that's for anybody who wants to learn the setups that we trade. But yeah, guys, if anyone's got any questions, feel free to comment. Get yourself in the comments, guys, and ask some questions. Get along with it. All good. Just waiting for this to see what it wants me to do. Like I say, you shouldn't be looking to force positions as well. Never look to force positions, guys. Always trade to your plan. I've got a strict plan, and that's how I trade, guys. But yeah, Javier, that's my where are you from, by the way, bro? Are you from the UK? This owl is starting to just instantly push up. How many ticks? Like 30 ticks? 28 ticks? Do you have a more profitable session, London or US? US is my most profitable session at the moment, but London is good. Yeah, I can trade both very well. Both of them trade very well for me, but I'd say US session right now, Javier. UK, yeah, perfect. Me too, bro. You can, if you do join, you can trade every session we trade as well. You know, we're active from 7 a.m. all the way up to like 4, 5 p.m. in the Discord. So if you do want a community where you can learn a profitable strategy, bro, feel free to join. Learn all the system, chat with all the members. It's a good group to get involved, especially if you've only got 5 months. Especially if you've only been trading 5 months. 5 months experience. Yeah, you could definitely do with finding some consistency. Especially if you say you're finding it hard to get profitability. But like I said, that's up to you, mate. You decide what you want to do. And then, yeah, feel free to join if you want. But yeah, for me, guys, this is the range. Sell side liquidity for me will be at 26.38. Buy side is at 26.61. Okay. How many people have we got in? One sec, guys. Let me just check. We've got 13 people in. Welcome, everyone. 13. Like I say, guys, if you just joined, drop us a like on the video. I do appreciate it. And any questions, guys, feel free to comment. But yeah, guys, most people, I know we've got Dean from South Africa. Natalie is UK. Sean, UK. Deddy, UK. Most people are from the UK. UK and South Africa. But then on my YouTube stats, it says US are here a lot. So I don't know if the US is, if anybody from the US is here, USA, America. Let's hear from you. It says I get a lot of people from the America watching my videos, so that's the only reason why I think ask that. But yeah, this is interesting now. 4 hourly is interesting as well. If this 4 hourly somehow flips bullish, then you've got 4 hourly entry flips higher for like 50 ticks. Okay. I agree. It's really helping me get into the consistency and learning the strategy. Yeah, for sure, Natalie. Welcome. Like I say, Natalie's just joined the community, and for anybody who hasn't got a strategy that works or a strategy that they're consistent with, just having a plan and sticking to rules just changes your trading so much. That's something that's why it took me so long as well. Like, it took me 3 or 4 years to even see any profitability. And the reason is because I didn't have a proper plan. I didn't have a strategy that I needed to stick to. And now I've been trading 7 years. So when you actually find a plan that you stick to, you can gain that consistency long term. And now from it took me 3 or 4 years to get profitable. And now I've been trading 7 years. So for the last 2 or 3 years now, you just gain that consistency, and then you can take it forward into funded accounts, into personal, and you can just really just start to stack that funded and stack that personal. And that's what you need to do, guys. Don't be trading me out a plan. Don't be trading me out a strategy. You know, for me, it's so simple. I've got half risk, I've got full risk trades, and that helped me so much. No, a lot of people don't want to listen to the boring things about trading, but it's not all taking wins and taking trades all the time. It's literally about having a plan, following a strategy that works, and waiting for that plan to play out daily. Okay. Step onto the hourly really quick. 4 hourly is starting to flip higher again. Wow. Yes, I'm waiting for this 30 minute. If this 30 or 15 closes above 26.52, I'll just wait for I'll wait for confirmation above 26.52. Waiting for it to play out on the charts. Yeah, exactly, Natalie. Perfect. Well done. It's literally it as well. Like, you don't need to be doing anything now. Like, for us right now, you don't need to be doing anything until we close back above 26.52. If we get back above 26.52, then that's when you need to do something. But I do think we're going to get back above, and when we do get that breakout long, then boom. There's the continuation for longs. But yeah, guys, nice one. Welcome to everybody. Welcome to everybody again. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment, and yeah, let's have a great day, guys. Yeah. Oh, nicely, nice. Now look at this. Look at this. 30-minute candle starting to close above 26.52 now. So if we do get a closure back above 26.52, I'll be looking for that confirmation for it to go higher. I personally can't go long yet, just with the way we broke to the upside. Okay. Yeah, I can't go long because of the way we've broken to the upside. But what I can do is I can wait for that confirmation to then take first longs into these highs here. Okay. That is the plan for me. Nice, guys, nice. 4 hourly starting to flip higher as well. So there's potential for 4 hourly trades, and there's potential for 30. So we can get four hourly impulse entries, but we have to wait for the rest of these 30 hourly and 15. We have to wait for confirmation. Okay, just with how we've broke out on them time frames. Like I say, guys, depending on how you break out on the time frame, depends on how you can trade it. That's a big thing to take into it. Like I say, I won't go too much into that on YouTube. That's for the community, and that's for the community and for their learning. But in terms of what we're going to do right now, we're just waiting for that 15 minutes to close now above 26.52. Okay. What a closure that is, though. 5 minute. Look at the 5 minute, guys. There's that volume that we've been waiting for all day. This is literally, guys, this one candle almost. Look at this one candle here. Well, from this low to this recent high is 100 ticks. It's almost a full day's volume in one 15-minute candle. Well, one 30-minute candle. Wait for the confirmation. Yep. Nice one, Natalie. Definitely. Definitely. But yeah, let's see if we can get that closure through. Just put that to the left so it's a bit cleaner, guys. Nice. Decent range there now. Decent range, guys. Yeah, I like this range for today. Cheers for the likes, guys. Nice one. But yeah, this is a clear range, and we actually are starting to break out of it now. H4 is looking good to try and set these daily highs out up here as well. You've got a collection of highs nicely here. You know, 1, 2, 3. Collection of highs there. So if this H4 closes bullish as well, there's some H4 impulse entries there. It's so unpredictable this week. No clean breakouts. Yeah. Last week we was having, right, guys, this is sometimes how gold works. Gold. You can have clean breakouts, but then no entry because no flips happen. And we were getting that last week, but we still have a profitable week. You know, I was up like 70 ticks for the week, which is great. But this week I've taken I've been getting some nice positions. For example, I've only taken 2 trades so far this week. You know, I've taken 2 trades and basically break even for the week so far off 2 trades, but the momentum hasn't been there to follow through the trades, and that's sometimes how gold works. But you just got to accept it, know that it's not going to happen always, and then we can just trade. We can just trade with the momentum on the other trades, for example, if we get a position now on the 4 hourly. But that's just how gold works sometimes, mate. You might get 2 trades where there's no momentum and you got to get break even, and that's what it is. But sometimes you'll just get trades where the momentum's there and it flies into TP, and that's what you normally get on gold with the way and the way that we trade. You normally get that nice 15-20 tick push in like 5 minutes, which is perfect. Cheers for the lights, guys. Nice one. Beautiful, beautiful push up on gold on this 30-minute. What a push. Yeah, this is probably going to continue higher now, to be honest with you. This 4 hourly's rejected major levels. It's probably going to continue higher, to be honest. So, like I say, it's just about waiting for this closure on the 30. Come straight into this level here at 26.45 and now rejecting to the upside. So... Like I say, guys, like when we're waiting for this to close here in 2 minutes. When this closes, then I can see what price does on this 5 minute. So I'm just gonna wait for that 5 minute confirmation higher. But yeah, what a push on this 4 hourly now. It's starting to flip nicely. If this 4 hour, you've got some great 4 hour targets, guys. On the next 4 hourly, you've got like 50, and then overall like 100 ticks. So stay patient with that 4 hourly, guys. Stay very patient with it. That's very important. But yeah, guys, like I say, any questions, feel free to comment, and yeah, let's keep the chat active, guys. Any questions, feel free. Yeah, this hourly I feel is going to continue higher. You know, we've only got 30 minutes closure, but for me now, because this 15 minutes closed above 26.52, I'm going to look for that continuation play on the 5 or the 15 to go long into overall targets at 26.60 here. Okay. Ooh, 15 minutes closed, wicked up and pushed straight down, which is decent because we have wicked this liquidity to the left now. But if we do get that 5-minute confirmation above this level, then I've got some decent targets up here still. So we've got like a decent, what's the range now? We've got like a decent 190 to 100 tick range for this to continue higher. So that would be my overall play for gold. Will be a 5-minute little continuation higher. So you know you'd be looking to buy here, and then for it to continue higher. But yeah, like I said, I've already taken 2 trades today. So if I do take another trade, it will be hitting like my average maximum for the day. Like I say, if I do see another 2 or 3, I will take them. But 3 or 4 trades is normally my maximum for the day. I've taken 2 already. But like I say, I trade what I see, trade everything to the plan. And if I see a trade, I'll take it. Simple. Are you going to wait for the hourly? For me, it's not really too necessary waiting for the hourly, Naeem, because look at the 30 and the 15. The 30 and the 15's closed above 26.52. The only reason we can't take impulse entries is because the way it broke out. Naeem, if you've watched the trade breakdowns and the course, you'll know that this breakout doesn't allow us to take impulse entries higher. Okay. But what it does allow for us to do, it allows us to wait for confirmation above the level, 5-minute confirmation above the level in order to go long. You know, we have that next step confirmation to try and catch this long and not miss it. So that's what I need to wait for now, unfortunately. But like I say, confirmation saves you a lot of the time. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Got 10 people in. Hope everyone's good. But yeah, it's been a great couple of weeks, guys. To be honest, the last couple of weeks in the community and on gold, it's been great. You know, over 200 ticks or something, 250 ticks. So nothing to complain about. Nothing to complain about with that. But this hourly's pushing now. 4 hourly looks great as well. 4 hourly longs look really clean for me. It's all about waiting for these now. But yeah, nothing to rush into yet, guys. Like I said, if that 5-minute does show, we'll take it. You know, I'd love to see this. Love to see that. You know, if it's a bit deeper, it's a bit deeper, but I'd like to see this. Bang. Okay. Using the timeframes to confirm 15 and 5, yes. Yeah, so basically, Natalie and Naeem, we've got the hourly, the 15 and the 30-minute closure. But the way we broke out, like you'll know, because you're in the community, you'll know how we broke out. The way we broke out means that we can't take instant entries, like we can't take this 15-minute flip here with stops below. We can't take this. You know, that's just the rules that we have. You'll know more about why we can't, but it does allow us to wait for 5-minute confirmation. And if we do see the 5-minute confirmation in a line with this 15-minute closure, then yeah, perfect. The trade's there, and the trade's valid for longs. $10 likes, nice one, guys. Cheers for letting me reach to 10 likes. Appreciate y'all, guys. Back. Oh yeah, we're looking for this now. This is the pullback that we need. You know, take some of these lows here and continue higher. That'd be nice. Yeah, nice, Naeem. Like I say, Naeem, look at the last 2 trade breakdowns. If you've had chance, look at the last 2 trade breakdowns I put in the Discord community. And watch a couple of the previous ones too, and it'll make a lot of sense. It'll make a lot of sense. And once you understand when you need to wait for confirmation and when you don't, it'll change your game totally. And when you understand that, boom, that's exactly what you need. And it will change your game on gold for sure. And it'll, when you understand full risk and half risk and management, then perfect. You've got it. That's literally it, guys. It's literally entry, risk, and management. Once you get a plan for them, which I've got a nice plan for that. I've got a nice plan for my entry criteria. You know, I've got full risk and half risk, which is my risk management and how I enter trades. So once you get these 2 or 3 things, then just follow it and watch that consistency grow. But yeah, I'm looking for this 5 to confirm. If this 5 confirms, then I'll take longs. Guys, I'll be back in 2 minutes. I'm just going to go and get some water, okay? I'll be back before this 5-minute closes, so give us 2 or 3 minutes. Right, guys, I'm back. Sorry if the music went too loud then. Apologise. But yeah, welcome, guys. We've got 12 people, and like I say, guys, welcome to the stream. Let me just quickly share the link again into the... Delete that. Right, there we go. Just put it back into the Telegram. Henrix, how's it going, bro? How are you, mate? Henrix, where are you from? Welcome to the stream. So, is Thursday the only major news we have this week? Let me just double check. I did post it into the community. One sec, let me just... I put it in the fundamentals. So we've got big news. We've got pound news tomorrow morning. And then Thursday, yeah, we've got the unemployment claims on the US. Latvia, nice, Henrix. Nice to see you, bro. Nice to see you, mate. From Latvia. Yeah, but Naeem, Thursday is the big major news for this week. How long have you been trading for, Henrix? So this is why you wait, guys, and this is why it's so important with my 2 different range closures. You know, we closed through the range, but the way we closed through isn't strong enough for the longs. But look what's happened. You pushed up, taken that liquidity, and then continued down. You know, if we had what we wanted to see above, you've got more chance of this continuation higher. And that's why you wait for the 5-minute continuation. You know, you've got no 5-minute continuation now, and there's no entry. So it just saves you. Started midsummer, nice. Didn't want to get out of live. Yeah. Yeah, no problem. What about you? 7 years, Henrix. Yeah, I've been trading 7 years now, mate. Streaming about 3 months. Streaming live about 3 months, but I've been trading profitably for about 2 or 3 years, 3 years, but Been trading about 7. Yeah, that's me. Guys, if you're not already in the free Telegram, feel free to join the free Telegram. I'll link it now. So anybody who's just joined live, who's not in the free Telegram, my YouTube live link will go here. So feel free to join there. But yeah, I'm waiting now for this 15 to close. Or I'm waiting for that 5-minute confirmation play. Like I say, what's happening now is the pullback, and then that continuation. That's exactly what I'm looking for. But yeah, we've got 12 people in, guys. Welcome, everyone. But Goldie, let's have a look. Hourly on gold, strongly above. Like I say, we're maintaining above 26.52 now. So the chance of continuations higher is very likely, especially with this H4 closure. What I'm personally going to do, guys, if this H4 closes bullish, I'll be looking to continue this higher into all these highs here. And even above market, guys, look how many highs you've got to take out. Bang. Bang. You've got a lot of liquidity sitting here, which, if you're looking for that nice play up, you've got like 100 ticks and then overall 200 ticks into them highs there. So perfect for me. Perfect. Do you remember when was the point you turned profitable? Yeah, Henrik, sorry. The thing that actually flips the switch for you, or for most people, is just following a plan. And when you actually turn up and follow the rules and don't get FOMO, make sure every trade is to your plan, that's when it starts to flip, and it's just time. But if you're trading on your own and you haven't really got anybody to communicate with, that's when it takes a lot more time than it does if you're in a group and you're trying to become profitable together, because you can call each other out on the BS and stuff. But for me, the main thing that turned for me was having enough of just taking random trades. And when you take, and that's just time, mate. You'll get that with time for sure. It might take some people 6 months, might take some people 1 year. Some people can get it quite quickly, but it's literally all on yourself and how you, for example, how you trade. Like, are you swing trading? Are you scalping? All depends. What type of style do you trade, Henriks? Goat, Natalie Goat. Thank you, number 1. I appreciate it. Yeah, but guys, like I say, it all takes time. People think that they're gonna get it in a week. Like, yeah, you might make profit in a week, you might make profit in a month, but to be long-term profitable and to be long-term sticking to your plan, taking a break even or taking 2 break evens in a day and not pushing for that win because you think it's there, because it's not to plan, that's when it turns. That's when you become break even to profitable, when you can take a loss, look at your account being negative $100 for the day and not trying to push for the win. That's when you start turning. The people who don't turn, the people who stay in the same position, are the people who can't look at their account in negative for the day. Henriks, I personally don't trade fair value gaps because I think it's all analysis paralysis. Like, there's no need to trade. All you try and keep, I'll give you a bit of advice, keep your charts. People who have fair value gaps, for example, like so, and all this stuff on the charts, and these Koch, whatever a breaker structure is, it's a changing market structure, whatever they call it. It's all just support and resistance. I don't even have this line here, and I don't even have this line level here. I literally have like 2 or 3 lines on my charts, and it's the most profitable system I've ever traded. So that's a bit of advice. Keep it clean. so many people trade FVGs, fair value gaps, and they don't work. Sorry, anybody who trades them, they don't really work. Like, yeah, they might work 1 or 2 times, and yeah, you might think they work, but all it is support and resistance. For example, look at this level of support and resistance here. You know, look, big level of support and resistance here, but look, you've also got this order block here. So yeah, you've got an order block here, but you've also got a huge level that we've used for the past 3 or 4 weeks at 26.50. And what price could easily do is come down into the level, guys, not the order block, what they call them, and then continue higher. It's just the level of structure, okay? And yeah, they do work, and people, I don't care what strategy people use. If you want to use order blocks and you want to use smart money concepts, what they call them, use them. But try and keep it as simple as possible. Try and keep it as simple as possible, for sure. Now I'm just starting to understand what happens in the market and stuff. Great stuff. Nice, Henrix. Good stuff, bro. Keep it up. Totally, 100% it's important. It's really important to stick to strategy. Definitely, Natalie. Stick to strategy. Everything's good. And yeah, it's definitely all mindset. 100% all mindset. But for me, I want to maintain above 26.53 here. So the best thing for me is this. Cheers for the lights, guys. I appreciate you all. Henrix, personally, I'd recommend my strategy. I'd recommend my strategy. I won't recommend any other strategy, to be honest with you. But like I say, if you want to keep it simple, like I say, yeah, support and resistance is good. But you need to understand liquidity as well. If you understand liquidity and where the price needs to go, then you're already ahead of 90% of traders. But yeah, if you understand liquidity, you're ahead of most traders. Cheers for the lights, guys. 12 people have liked. Appreciate it all. But yeah, guys, we're waiting on this hourly now. The hourly is starting to reject after taking this liquidity here, as expected. Taking that liquidity and now rejected. See that on the 15 that it's rejected too. Is there a video explaining your strategy that explains it? Yeah, Henrix, I've got a community, a Discord community where I've got the full strategy. I've got trade breakdowns that break all my trades, break all my trades down so you can watch all them. You know, you've got community members, Zoom conferences and stuff like that. So yeah, you can feel free to join them, mate. I will link the thing for you again. If you want to join the, let me just, I'll get the link for you. But yeah, in the community, the full strategy is basically there in one place. What would be your entry point? Here's the link, by the way, Henrix, if you want to join. What's going to be your entry point, bro? My entry point for me is any sort of confirmation above 26.52 here. Because we broke above it on the 15 and the 30. Broke above it. If we show that confirmation above, then yeah, I'll look to enter around here. Start closing below, then you've basically just gone back into the range that we mentioned before, guys. You're back within this range here at 26 here. Bang. Yeah. So you don't want to get stuck within there. So if price actually breaks back below into here, then it has the chance of just ranging for a while, like here. Okay. No worries, Henrix, mate. Feel free. Yeah, but Sean, I personally haven't taken anything this session. It's been a bit choppy. Oh, what is that? Sea Wars. Did not mean to type that. Sea Wars. But yeah, you can see that price has been a bit choppy this session. You know, we got on like here. Just pushed up. We looked for the longs. Nothing's happened. There's been no 5-minute entry. 15-minute entry too. Well, we are still looking for them longs. Why did you get into trading? I got into trading when I was working a job, and the reason I got into it was, like most people, trying to get out of a job. But the main purpose why I actually got into trading, guys, is because I like the going traveling and trading with just my laptop. And that's exactly what I've done for the past 2 years. You know, I've been to all of Asia, Indonesia, I've been to a lot of Europe. You know, I've been to places that I never would have been to, and I've worked whilst I've been away. So like I said, if anybody's interested in traveling and trading, I've done it for like 2 years. That's the reason I wanted to do it. I wanted to have a job where I could do it anywhere in the world, and that's what trading did for me. So, you know, I've been to Thailand, Vietnam, Bali, most of Indonesia. I've been to a lot of places, guys. I've been to a lot of Europe, you know, Spain, Greece, you name it, Portugal, and all just from trading. So if anybody's got that dream and that ambition, like I said, drop us a comment and let me know if that's on your list. This 30 minutes interesting. If this 30-minute clause is bearish, I'm going to look at half risk shorts. Half risk down. But yeah, that's the main reason. I didn't really get into... I didn't get... Yeah, that sounds so fun. That's what I'm getting here. Perfect, Henrix, mate. Like I say, you just need to... You need to take it seriously, bro, and get into it properly. Learn the strategy. Trust me, just learn a strategy. If it's mine, strategy that you want to learn, to go for a bit of partying, you can go to Canggu and you can go to Fins. Fins is great. There's a few places there. But yeah, Canggu's nice. Uluwatu too. Bali's nice though. I like Bali. I like Vietnam. I'm going to Vietnam in 2 months, guys. Dean, let's get it done, bro. Let's meet me in Vietnam. I go to Vietnam with my girlfriend in a month. I literally go in 1 month, and I think I'll be there for about 2 or 3 months in Vietnam. So if anybody's going to be in Vietnam, I'll be there in 1 month. Well, I'll be there in 5 weeks. So if anybody's going to be there at the same time as me, let me know, and we can link up. And then after Vietnam, I'll probably go back to Thailand. I lived in Thailand, guys, for maybe 6 months. I lived in Phuket for 6 months in an apartment, which was great. You know, and anybody who wants to travel trade, like I say, just go for it. If you've learnt the strategy, learnt the system, go for it. Definitely possible, guys. Cheers for the likes, guys. Nice one, guys. Feel free. Oh, 16 people in sound. Welcome, everyone. Yeah, but Bali's great, Sean. Bali's great. People are really nice. You can get some decent food there too. Thailand, one of my favourites. Vietnam, one of my favourites. One sec. My wife might feel... Yeah, but Dean, let's do it, bro. Take her with you, if you can. How long did it take you to turn profitable? About 3 or 4 years, Henrix. I didn't get any payouts for maybe 3 years. No payouts for 3 years. I started getting payouts maybe 3 years ago. And now it's very consistent. Very, very consistent payouts. I literally got a payout last week, guys. I literally got a payout like last week. I posted it in the community as well. I don't like posting payouts, but I did it for the past like 2 or 3 months because people were asking for them. Like and subscribe, guys. Yeah, nice one, Amir. I appreciate that, bro. Amir's always here. We've got a lot of people. Natalie, we've got Sean who's here, Dean. We've got a lot of regulars. Naeem. I'm just looking through the thing now, but we've got a few new people today, guys. Like I say, welcome to everybody who's just joined. And yeah, drop us a subscribe, guys. I appreciate it. Almost at 300 subscribers. Interesting. What are we at now? We're at 263 subscribers. Nice one. We got 16 people in, guys. Welcome all. 16 people. But yeah, guys, if anyone's got any questions regarding travel trading, just trading in general, strategy, feel free to comment. I know a lot of people want to trade and travel because really, guys, if you're trading, if you're going to Asia or if you're going to Bali, and it depends on your lifestyle. And for me, it wasn't, obviously, it depends on how much you're making on trading, but you only need to make maybe £1,000 per month to live in Bali and Thailand quite comfortably. So if you really want to do it, guys, just go for it. Do you recommend funded accounts or private account if you have low capital? Depends how much you're working with, Kevin. I always say use funded, and then from funded funnel it into private or into personal. That would be my plan, and that's what I did, and that's what I still do. 3 minutes for this 30 to close. Beautiful 30 closure here, guys. What would that wick fill be there? 30 ticks, nice, okay. Owl is starting to flip down. I'm gonna look to short half risk, guys, soon. I'm gonna look to short half risk soon. Not yet, I'm waiting for this to close in 3 minutes. But yeah, guys, welcome. Yeah, but that's what I recommend, guys. And funded accounts, you know, stick to your main ones. Don't go with any of these that have just turned up maybe like 2 weeks ago, because they're not going to be here for long, guys, and you'll be upset when you pass, work hard to get a payout and they don't pay you out. Stick to the ones that, you know, they may cost a little bit more, like FTMO, but you're going to get your payouts. Top Step, great firm. Alpha Capital, great firm. FTMO, great firm. Stick to the main three prop firms, guys. Yeah, Kevin, Top Step, FTMO. If anyone think these electrolytes are great, make you feel well good. I've got some electrolytes in my water, guys. Great stuff. But yeah, I'm waiting for this 30 to close here. This 30 looks really nice. And then I've got some first targets on the flip here at 20 ticks. So that's the plan for me now. Half risk, by the way, guys. It'll be half risk shorts. Okay. I was interested in longs up here, but we didn't get the entry. And again, guys, for the people in the Discord community, you can see we were looking for the longs, but we didn't get it because there were no confirmation. But Kevin, also what I would say to you, if you've got low capital and if you don't know what prop firm to use, make sure you've got a strategy that works, mate. Make sure you have a strategy that works. Make sure that you're consistent. Don't worry about your profit. Only worry about how consistent you are. Because if you've got low capital, you shouldn't be worried about that. You should be worried about passing your prop firm, staying consistent. If you've got none of the first two things that I mentioned, you're not going to even pass the prop firms. And I'm going to be honest with you. So find a strategy that you can use and utilize long term. Okay. But yeah, that's my advice for anybody who's just starting out as well. But like I say, guys, welcome if you're new to the chat. Welcome to the streams, guys. And yeah, drop us a comment. Let's see who's here. Nice one for the likes as well, guys. Running them likes up, 14 likes. Nice. Thanks for the advice. No worries, Kevin. Like I say, guys, I never tell people to enter my positions. Never. Like, I only show you what I'm taking personally. But in terms of prop firms, you can also, guys, on prop firms, make your own decisions on them. You know, I can tell you what I use, but make your own decisions on them. And like I say, guys, if you want to join the Discord mentorship community, link in the, I've just linked the Discord in the description, not in the description, the comments. Okay, guys, so I'm actually going to get a short on the flip of this low. Owlie's just opened, so if this pushes down, my first target's going to be 27 ticks here. 15 close nicely too. It's only at half risk as well, guys. I'm taking a half risk stab at this, so I'm only risking like 10 ticks. But this is for me to take. Like I say, guys, I don't tell anybody to take my positions. So I'm gonna put this in now on the break of the law. So it's a sell stop. Sell stop in at 0.2. 2 lots, sorry. 2648.3. Okay, that's in for me, guys. Right, my sell stop's in here, guys. So once this flips, I'll be put into this trade. I'll tell you when I get tagged in. I'm not in this position yet. Still not in. Right, so I've been tagged into this position, guys. So my stop loss is on the high. So I'm risking 10 ticks on this trade, guys. So I'm risking 10 ticks on this trade. As soon as price starts passing through these lows, I'm going to reduce my risk. But overall, I think price can come into this level here. But we'll see what happens. Okay. But yeah, my first target really is these lows at like 15. What's that? You're like 12 ticks there. Let's see if price is going to push down or not. Like I said, that hourly we haven't tagged the hourly low as well yet. So as soon as this hourly low, I'll probably put this break even, but we need to wait for this yet. Hey, Saf, how's it going, mate? Welcome to the stream, Saf. This is like a 30-minute short half risk. So what's the risk on this? I'm risking like 10 ticks, guys. So we'll see if this wants to push down or not. We're gonna push down or what? So I'll be break even at like 15 ticks there. Just makes the more sense to me. Is it gonna push or what, guys? Go on, gold lad. Like I say, guys, just because it's in the range and price created like a 23 tick stop, I've gone half risk, so I'm risking 10 ticks on this for me. First target of these lows here for like 15 ticks, and then overall, I'm looking for like that 40 tick push lower. So we'll see. But price could get choppy in here, remember, guys. Price could get choppy. So for me, it's like it's less than half risk for me. So if it hits stop loss, it is what it is. You try, and if it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. It is what it is. We'll see. But yeah, this is just a half risk stab lower. Back in a minute, guys. I'm just gonna go fill some water up. Goldie, what are you doing to us? Straight up. Are you going to take us out here? Possibly. Coming to a bit of a strong level here as well. That's another reason for half risk. But, is it going to push down? I'm still in this for now. Still in this. What's my entry and stop loss? I'm already in this when it on the flip. So my first TP was almost hit, unfortunately, but that is what it is. I'm almost out of this for like negative 10 ticks. Maybe it keeps us in, I don't know. Like I say, guys, half risk, you know, you're coming into a big level again here. You can see the level that we've come into. So I'm just seeing if Price wants to just give it a little bit more room. But we'll see. Like I said, there's no emotion for me, guys, at all. If it hits stop loss, it is what it is, you know. Last 2 weeks, we made 200 ticks. I can take a negative 10 tick. Stop. A negative 10 tick for me, I'm still like over 200 up for the last 2 weeks alone. So it happens, but we'll see anyway, guys. We're starting to flip again, maybe. Guys, if you want to close here, you can do. If I'm personally holding, but if you want to close at break even, you can do. That's absolutely fine. Well, basically break even, you can do. I'm personally holding for the remainder of this to see if it'll flip down. You know, I'm only risking half, guys. So if you want to close half here, if you're in this position and you close half, then it's also not a bad idea. But I'm going to hold out, personally. I'm only half risk on this, so... we'll see. Alright. Alright. Goldie, now you're flipping. Alright, gold. Are we going to get into the are we going to hit profit now? Are you going to let me go break even or what? Yeah, if you want to, if you're in this, guys, you can feel free to close half off. Feel free to close half here. Like I say, I'm just going to hold out, see if it wants to fall down. If it wants to collapse. But yeah, I'm personally still in this. Like I said, as soon as price comes into these lows, I will go break even. You know, you've got a collection of lows here now that price needs to come into. So 30 minute, still not flipped though yet. Alright guys, nice. Right guys, I'm going to go break even now, see if it wants to go or not. I'm break even on this, guys. Just because gold's very choppy in this range, I'm just going to hold to see if we can push down into here. You know, we've got 27 ticks there. Beautiful. Beautiful position. Okay. It was actually worth the hold. And overall TP will be this level here. If it hits me break even, it is what it is. You know, we've wicked these lows to the left. So that's why I've gone break even now. If it continues down, perfect. If it doesn't, break even. If you want to close out half, you can do. You've moved 16 ticks there. So, nice. Oh, really? I had it a little bit above. Took you out. Wow. Probably going to take me out at break even anyway. Got some 5-minute confirmation there as well. For it to go lower. I'm personally only in this at half risk, by the way. Had my stop on the top of the previous wick. Yeah. On my chart, I had it just a little bit above. Because I were only at half risk. You know, I only had 5 minis on my top step. So I had it like 24. I always give it a little bit of room. I don't just put it straight on the high as well. You know, on the futures chart, it is a little bit above as well. But yeah, I'm holding a break even here. Now it's running down. Nice. If you want to take some, I'm going to take some partials off here, guys. So we've just ran 20 ticks. I'm going to take some partials off right now. So I'm break even and partials. And I'll probably close out most of my position here. So nice trade, guys. But yeah, overall, I want to try and run this into these levels here. But yeah, decent 15-minute there. Because like I say, it does have the potential to flip back up. So like I say, I'm personally at break even and partials on this. Just giving it a little bit of room, and almost at break even here for the rest of it. Yeah, break even there, guys. I'm break even. A lot of volume. It's just taking me at break even though it didn't hit it. It has just taken me at break even. But I did take partials basically at these lows here. I took partials at 20 ticks. So I made like 8 ticks on that position. I made like 8 ticks on that position, guys. Hey, nice. Who entered? Get it in the chat if you entered, guys. And hit me at break even, and it's probably going to continue lower now. Yeah, break even position there. I'm just going to keep the chart on for now. Has hit me at break even. Unfortunate, but is what it is. Nice, Emmerich good. Anybody profit? Anybody take profits? I took profits. Like 8 ticks. A little win. I'll put it in here as little win. Like I say, everyone manages differently, but for me, I took like 9 ticks profit at half risk, so I'll just put it is like 10, 20 ticks. I took it out, so yeah, 10. It's like $98. $98 it says, so yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, another win. Kind of another win. I'm not gonna say it's a big win, but it is a win. End of the day. Yeah, nice, Carl. Carl, was it a big loss, bro? What was it? Half risk, big loss, small. Like I say, I only took a little partial and then break even, so it's not done much for me. But yeah, nice work, Natalie. Nice work, Carl. Nice work, Hendrix, bro. But yeah, now we're reversing. Look, beautiful, beautiful management. And that's why it's half risk, guys. It's gonna get choppy within here. It's gonna get very choppy in here. Oh, one sec, guys. I've just seen. Oh, nice. Alright, yeah, nice. But yeah, guys, decent little entry there. Partials at like 10 ticks, and then yeah, that's it. Like I say, guys, US session got a little bit choppy there. Look at this chop on US, guys. Pre-US push down, then it's just chopped. Look at the 30-minute chop here. Up, down, potentially back up. If it starts pushing back up now, there's no way I'm going to be looking at US session today. You know, it's 2:30. You know, I've got like an hour and a half left of decent trade, and if it starts pushing back up, there's not really going to be any entries. So guys, just doing something really quickly. Back in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. Yeah, look, very big chop here. Good break even and little partials, guys. You know, that trade actually ran 21, 22 ticks. So, nice work. Yeah, straight up and down here, guys. Like I say, guys, if anyone's got any questions, feel free to comment. Feel free to comment, guys. Yeah, guys, we've got 13 people here, guys. We've just taken, for the people who've just joined, we've just taken a entry here on the 30-minute candle, and then, you know, 22 ticks, and then it's reversed. So, you know, I took a little partial, or I've just taken a little trade, should I say. Like I say, if people have taken it, it is what it is. I can't tell you what to and not to take, but I never tell people to take my positions. This is all for entertainment purposes only. But yeah, we took a little 30-minute flip there. Partials at like 10 ticks. I took a 10 tick partial. It ran like 22 ticks, so decent. But yeah, partials taken, and rest of it break even there, guys. Nice, beautiful. Up for the day anyway. I'm up like 6 ticks for the day. Up like 5 or 6 ticks for the day, which is not much, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, welcome. We've got 14 people in here. Nice one for the likes, and whoever's new, guys, thanks for the subscribes. Thanks to people who are subscribing, guys. Yeah, if you took that position, great position, guys. Nice work. But gold's very choppy, guys. Look how choppy it's been. Look, pushed up pre-New York, straight up. What's that? 110 ticks. Straight down 110 ticks. Now pushing up. It's choppy, choppy, choppy. But for me right now, the main thing is looking for price to push into these lows here, shorts, because the hourly closed bearish. For me, if we start seeing that confirmation below this level here at 26.40.51, then that continuation lower could be nice. Can you explain the ticks, or what are those called? Because I started with crypto trading and haven't heard something like that. But in gold and others there are, yeah, so basically tick is, Henrich, ticks and pips are just increments of movement. So if price pushes from, see, this low here to where price is now, that says 400. This is 40 ticks or 40 pips, depending on if you trade in futures or if you trade in FX. So yeah, it's literally just an increment of movement. But yeah, the ticks and pips are just price increments. But you started with crypto, nice, good stuff, bro. Paste. There you go, guys. No worries, Henrix, mate. Anytime, bro. So yeah, I think, look at this. 15-minute, bearish 15-minute continuation to this double bottom. The only problem is, guys, you are within the range, remember. You know, this is quite a big range now on gold that you're starting to see. When you see big ranges on gold, it can be hard to actually find full risk positions. You know, under, this is the range right now. You've only really got some clear liquidity below as well to take. Look at this, choppy, 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 straight back up, guys. Straight back up on gold. But now I want to trade gold or NAS because there are so much more coins in crypto. I can't follow and keep up with them. Yeah, like I say, mate. I have a lot of mates who trade crypto but also trade gold day trade. So yeah, crypto's good, but you're gonna get wrecked on day trading crypto. You know, if you can trade gold, day trade, and invest in crypto long term, or try and swing trade crypto, you're gonna do a lot better, I think, personally. That's what I do, guys, as well. But yeah, you can see what gold's starting to form as well. You can see that head, shoulder, potential head for the continuation higher into this liquidity, then into this liquidity, and then into this liquidity. Yeah, I'm going to see how this 30-minute clause is, guys. Depending on how the 30-minute clause is quite important. But yeah, decent little position there, guys. Decent little position here. Nothing crazy, but is what it is. You can only do what gold gives you. And the management were perfect because, look, we'd be in big drawdown now, but we're not. We've taken partials, we've taken profits, and I'm out of this position. I'm in and out. I've taken my partials, taken my profits, and I'm moving on. Cheers to the lights, guys. Nice one. People reacting, I appreciate it. I see the reactions, guys. Nice one. Like I say, all we can do now is wait for the new range to break and then so forth from there. But yeah, guys, if anyone's got any more questions, feel free to comment, guys. I am going to stay live for another 5 minutes and I'm going to have to go because I've got something to do. But anybody in the community, you will be updated as always. And that's the great thing about the community. Like, you only see me trade for an hour and a half to 2 hours a day on live. But the community get that continuously all day. You get my levels, my market update videos, trade breakdowns if we take anything. You get the course content. That's the power of the community. You get that continued support all day, every day. So yeah, I'll stay on till another fight till this 30-minute closes. Update YouTube, and then anybody in the community, if I take any positions, you'll see there. But yeah, let's see how we close in 4 minutes, guys. What time do I stream? 1 PM every day, Henrix. 1 PM every day UK time. Natalie, go. Nice one. Appreciate you. Yeah, Natalie, nice one. Natalie's in the community, smashing it. But yeah, guys, for me, back above 25.52. This is the choppy range you're in right now on gold. So choppy. Yeah, guys, again, as always, thank you all for tuning in to the stream. I do appreciate everybody who tunes in every day, comments. If you take some value away, great stuff. If you're not already in the free community as well, make sure you join the free group, guys. I'll link the free group now, really quickly. This is the free Telegram link, guys. Feel free to join that. Right, guys, I am going to update everyone what I'm seeing quickly on the gold. Well, obviously the gold, but I'm going to see what for the people on YouTube, sorry. For me, there's no real longs, guys, until you get back above at least 26.52. So if you get back above 26.52 level, this strong level of resistance, then I'm going to look to target into these highs at 26.57 and then 26.61 above market, okay? Bang, bang. Decent ranges there. Back above here strongly. Got a decent range higher of like 180 to 100 ticks. In terms of shorts, back below 26.47. Full risk shorts down, okay? Problem you've got now is that you're really choppy, but you have got some decent liquidity below to try and target. So any sort of confirmation shorts for me below 26.52, I will be taking half risk down into this double bottom. Because this is a newly created double bottom, okay? So this newly created double bottom, I'd like to see get taken. And if I do take that, it will be half risk down into these lows. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. Guys, as always, thanks for tuning into the stream. Subscribe, guys, like and share. Yeah, nice one, Natalie. Appreciate it. And guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Remember, if you want to join the community, the links are there. If you want to join the free Telegram, the link's there. And anybody in the community who's here, get back in. Get in the gold chart, and I will post my charts and update you as always, guys. Okay? And yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. See you all tomorrow. Just pause the music. Yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. Let me just comment, guys. See you all. See you all tomorrow. Been a pleasure. Yeah, in a bit, guys. Peace. Hey,